Hello, gentlemen and ladies. Today is a beautiful day. 3:30. So we're gonna do a little installation of a pipe. So we're doing it a surface mount pipe for low voltage wire. You guys could see here, real bad install. So we told the client that we're just gonna pipe it so that way they won't have any more issues in the future. So we're just gonna go off the floor a little bit and hopefully you guys like the install. What do you think? Surface mount or underground? This is galvanized pipe, but we're gonna go above. So we're gonna go above here, and then we're gonna put a strap. I don't have any low voltage. This kind of wire, so I'm just gonna put 12 gauge or 14 gauge stranded. Works the same. A little bit overkill, but what the heck? Why not do it? What do you guys think? Waste of money or is it a good install? Set up my tools. You really don't need much. Started a little late, but it's a beautiful morning. Evening. About to be evening. So we're gonna go a little high here. Right there. So we're gonna go off the ground. I don't like it to be in the dirt. Another thought too, think about it, we can come across a little higher than typical normal. I just like to go below because you pass all that good stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna think about it too much. I'll stay here all day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 2. Yeah, we got 4. We got 4 LBs and these little guys here. Perfect. Now I need some of these guys, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. This is just for reference. Still need to tighten it. Let me see if I can catch the siding here. Oh no, I can't. Wish I could, but always go down. I'm not sure why this is here like this, but it's just all the sod over the years and it piles up. The owner probably doesn't clean it up. Probably he does. But let's make it a little bit pretty. Code is 1 every 10 feet. Technically it's floor, so and I'll let him know too to have this cleaned up for his install. Awesome. I was trying to see how we go around this. Oh my goodness. I got it. It was broken. Come on. Okay, there we go. Separate. Come on. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Gonna be easy. Okay, let's do this first. Okay, there's my line. Yeah. Okay. Had to pause for a little bit, so nevertheless, this one's got to be a little bit, it's got to come out this much. I hate to do this, but, or we could just offset it. How about we do that? It's getting cold. I look straight as an arrow. Arrow, not error. Okay. You guys want to see how straight it is? Now this is gonna go on top of this one right here. No, I'm just gonna offset this. Go up there. Go offset. And then down. Okay. Here's the other tricky part. Oh, my pants are gonna fall. That's kind of heavy. Okay, you guys see this? Beautiful. Now, $1 million question is, how in the world are we gonna offset this to the wall? Okay, all you gotta do is this right there. That's your metal. Is it gonna look great? Don't know. But can I offset it? Yes. Little tips and tricks of the trade. That's the arrow on it. Offset. Oh, that's a little bit on offset. That's too much. Okay, now you concentrate on this, not on the other one. Okay. Alrighty. Cool. Let's see how it looks, guys. You think I got it? Maybe not. Or did I mess up? You see that? So we went inside here, come back and come back in. Yeah, just gotta fix it a little more. Oh man, it looks kind of weird, but yeah, it is what it is. All right, guys, so oops, you guys see that? Offset and offset here. It doesn't look that bad, so I'm gonna continue that tomorrow. So we finished this today. I started like around 3. I went here. You guys seen that I measured that? I look straight. I don't really like this one. I went low all the way. Let's see what the owner says. So we found the problem. Customer's super happy. And that's how we gotta get it done. Found it less than, I think it was 20 minutes. Didn't even take that long. So this is Ed coming at you.